Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Florencia and let's get started. I have my Carly by Belle palette here by BH Cosmetics. I love it so much, like you can tell. It's a pretty beat. And with my Wet n Wild concealer, I'm just gonna put that on my eyelids for eyeshadow, I guess an eyeshadow primer. And with a big fluffy brush by e.l.f., I'm taking that first shadow here just to set it as my first base. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm taking this little brown tan color. It's the lightest brown on this palette, and that's gonna be our transition shade, and it's gonna go right on the crease. So I'm keeping it just up there. I'm not putting it down on my eyelid. I am kind of winging it out as I go, and I'm just building it up with a darker shade now. So it's a lot of building to give it more depth. Take your time blending, of course, and keep grabbing as much as you need as you keep going. Hold on, I need a break from the ads. Okay, continue. Not you. So it's time to cut the crease. Basically, I'm using an angled brush, kind of like what you would use for your eyebrows, but I'm using it for the concealer, and kind of cut a clean like a line on the eyelid to keep the top shadow very clean and crisp, because I do want my eyelid space clear and clean of eyeshadow. Take your time doing this. If you rush like me, you know, it's not gonna look great all the time. I am kind of tapping the excess off with my fingertip, that way there's not too much concealer. And I just wanted to get some depth into the crease, so I got the same brown with a thinner brush and just cutting a line. And this will stand out a little bit more than the eyeshadow. You can blend it a little bit if you'd like. And then go back in with the concealer brush and clean the bottom again to make it pop. So that's like a fake crease. Go ahead and clean your brushes because yeah, I like using the same one over and over. So with a smaller brush, I'm just highlighting my brow bone using the highlight. And then for my liquid liner, which is the next liner, I guess, it does give you a wet, shiny finish. So if you're not into that, which I'm not saying that I am really, I just didn't have a matte finish liner, use a matte finish liner. If you recommend any, let me know in the comments, because I need one. And I'm just coating my lashes real quick. This is like the weapon. This is like what you carry in your purse. It's from Wet n Wild. I love the little ball tip because it goes right into the inner corner lash. You know what I mean? That little part you can't get to. Okay. We're gonna put some falsies. This is Ardell Wispies. Just the Wispies. That's it. Not baby, not demi, not whatever there is. and then just do the brows off camera to save me time. So for my primer, I like this brightening primer from Urban Decay. And yeah, it has like a pink tint undertone, so it does good for brightening if you keep it in the center of your face. And also, it will cover your pores a little bit. And the Healthy Foundation, this is Physicians Formula. I love this applicator. And then I'm going with the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. I love this foundation. It's just too dark for me, so I keep it on the outer areas of my face. And the side of the nose to kind of contour. And with a beauty sponge, a wet beauty sponge from Real Techniques, see if you can see, which I doubt you can because the palette, it's like covering my face. Hello. Okay, there you go. I found this at CVS. It's a Nuance brand, and it's a powdered foundation, like a pressed powder with a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna set that all over my face, and it gave me a really nice satin finish. I really liked it. Dance break. Oof. Rest in peace. Okay. And then Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm using the first and third color. And I'm keeping that on the highest part of the cheekbone. So not under it. Just I want it like above it. Kind of like where below your highlight will be. Anyway, this gives me like a more lifted look to my face. So go ahead and keep blending that. Just bring it up to the temples and your forehead if you have a big ass forehead like me. I'm just using that powder brush that I did to clean up real quick the sides of my face. And this is the BH palette blush nudes. I love it so much. And with another round dance brush from Morphe, I'm just gonna wipe the blush I had before this on there, and yeah, I keep this in the apples of my cheek and bring it down. Bring it back into my temples, and then kind of blending it in a little bit with a stippling brush. I love this MAC Soft and Gentle on my days where I don't look so pale. And I love putting it everywhere on my face, basically. Just anywhere and everywhere. The bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose, because it gives you a cute little button nose. You see, so cute. And the Cupid's bow. The Cupid's bow, sorry, bow, not bone or bowed. What am I saying? This necklace though won't stay, okay? Like, stay put. This is my favorite NYX lip liner in nude. I kind of overdrawn my Cupid's bow because I like how it looks. And suddenly I have lips. I found this cute little Tarte liquid lipstick. It's like your perfect nude. It's a little purpley undertone though, and I really love those. And it's so tiny. It came from a little birthday gift set that I got from her birthday. Or no, it was for Christmas. And honestly, like, it felt like a plumping liquid lipstick. It felt a little minty and smells and tastes like mint. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I never had anything like that for a liquid lipstick. And apparently the name is Birthday Suit. So cute. I hope they have it in the bigger size because I really like it. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I just want to thank everybody who has subscribed to me so far. You know, I am putting videos, even 2 videos a week sometimes, and I feel like I'm kind of stuck in this subscriber count. So if you can help me by subscribing, if you really liked my video or like watching me, I would really love it if you liked my video and left me a comment. If you have any suggestions, I don't know, let me know. Check out my social media below if you're curious, and I'll see you next time. I'm so sorry my camera died. I'm sorry, bye.